Good morning everybody and welcome to your Friday test video. I've been really impressed this week by your Viking shields, which we've been getting pictures of on Google Classroom. Some absolutely brilliant ones, and I'll put them up on the Classroom whenever I get a few more in. You can see some of the ones we've been working on here in class. I've got some pictures of them that the kids in school have been working on, which are also really good. So let's get on with your Friday test then. Number 1, happy, happy. Number 2 is sad. The opposite of happy is sad. Number 3, weight. It could be a weight that you lift in the gym, or it could be scales that you use to weigh something, to find out how heavy something is. So it's a weight, a weight. Number 4, short. Short. This line is short. And number 5, long. This line is long. Number 6, wait. If you have to wait for something, it's going to be a while before you can do it or get it, so you just have to stay patient and wait. Number 7, ceiling. The ceiling of the classroom. Not the roof. The roof is on the outside, but the ceiling is on the inside. Number 8, 80. The number 80, how do you spell that? 80. Number 9, weird. If you can't really work out something out, if it seems strange, it's weird. Number 10, 18. The number 18. How do you spell that? The number 18. Number 11, neighbour. Someone who lives beside you or near you is your neighbour. Number 12, either. Your mum might say to you, you can either have your ice cream in a cone or in a bowl. You can't have them both. You can either have one or the other. Either. Number 13 is freight. Freight. Freight really means heavy cargo. So you could have a freight train or a freight ship with lots of these containers on them. They're carrying heavy cargo. Freight. Number 14, leisure. Leisure. There's Lisburn Leisureplex. Hopefully we can get back there someday soon. Leisure. What you do in your spare time is what you do for your leisure activities. Maybe you like to do sport or some other kind of hobby. That's your leisure, your downtime, your relaxing time. Number 15, conceited is another word for proud. If you're sort of a proud person, you think a lot of yourself, you're very full of yourself, you're conceited. Not a good thing to be, conceited. Number 16, foreign. If you come from a foreign country, you come from another country apart from the one that you're currently in. Foreign. Number 17 is protein. Protein is something important that you get from food like chicken or beef or eggs, which helps your body to heal and repair itself and to grow. Protein. Number 18 is sovereign. The Queen is sovereign. That means she is the ruler over Great Britain. She is sovereign. She is on the throne. And number 19 is rain. Not the type of rain that there is outside today, falling from the clouds, but the reign of the Queen. We're currently under the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. That means she is the monarch on the throne. It's her reign. And number 20, perceive. Perceive. If you can perceive something, you can work it out without being told it. So you can look at the clues, you can read the situation and work something out without being told exactly what it is. You can perceive it. Perceive. Okay guys, that's it. That's your Friday spellings for today. Remember, your tables are on Classroom, your little tables quiz, so you can do that and hand it in as well once you've done your spellings.